So because all of the recordings I tried to do were dog shit, I'm going to be just showing you guys this GDWWS Development video. I'm just gonna be explaining like how the game is doing pretty much, and yeah. So pretty much as you can see here, George has this arrow for some reason because he's a character. Now I can't turn off collision through him because if I do that, oh god, I'm lagging a lot, but yeah, if I do that, then he would phase through the wall and he'll just fall to the void forever. So I'm not doing that. So pixels running. This is something. Now, I'm going to be attempting to get George to be mad. Here. So let's switch to the graph of the notebook. I have a lot of code for the notebook saved, by the way. So here we have to get all actors of class, and I think this is like a type of a cast. Now we have this event, which is pretty much for George to move to the player. And let's go characters folder. I'll make a separate folder for these, but for now, no. Here we can open the George controller. I'm not actually like, I'm just trying to show you guys how the game is doing, so yeah. Because all my previous recordings were bad, like I don't want to post them now. Here we have like this custom event which you can use, and it'll cast the first person character. Now this event happens when the widget constructs off, which is the notebook widget. Now from here, I want to do something. I want to delete this because yeah, the sound is playing no matter where you go, which makes it stupid. Stop movement stops George from moving. It makes it so that he has like a type of movement like Baldi. Movement resulting there. So what I want him to do is not just do this. So we want them to become angry now. Is that okay? Yeah, that's the burger server. Now I'm going to my desktop here, and I'm gonna select the George Sprite angry and the normal George. Now here I'm not gonna actually leak any content since I have them all in folders, and as long as I don't open the folders you guys ain't getting spoilers. So here you can take a look at the size of this, and this thing has to be the exact same size as George, because then it just becomes really weird. I'm gonna put an image on screen right now how it's actually looking. If I don't change the size, it just looks horrible, and nobody wants that in their game. So pretty much I'm gonna explain this a little bit. So off of this event, instead of me doing this, we're gonna disconnect. And we're gonna get all actors of class. Get all actors of class. Now the player control maybe get off. And now we want to select the George Davis character. George Davis character. Now in fact now I should have paper spray. Paper spray. George Davis character. Boom. Now the paper spray is pretty much George, and we can't do that. Are you kidding me? Array George characters. Why does this thing have to be an array? Can I like open it up a little bit? Okay, MS Paint actually opened. It's not MS Paint, it's actually 3D Paint. Now, you see this is the George, but thing is, we might have to cast two George Davis character here. But yeah, you can put that on the out actors, so... Okay, anyways, so while that's happening, let's get the stupid ass blurry image and let me make it smaller. As you can see, okay, let's... So it's... Okay, so... 2, 4, 8. Oof, if that happens on George, dang it. Okay, we might have to make him really small for this. Okay, 141, I guess. Oh. So, 848. Is that the size? That has to be 50. Oh my god. Okay. 48. So... Why did they put 28? That was meant to be changed. Heck. Come the heck on, dude. Is that so hard? Okay, perfect. Middle. Enter. Enter. Yoink. Eee. That was close, so... How much do I have to change this thing? So... 50, I guess. So... Perfect. On the... Yeah, this is perfect. This is the correct size, I think. It has to be the exact same size for the sprite as I said, so I wanna save it now. And now, as it's saved, can get this Angry George sprite. Okay, install Visual Studio. Yeah, I'm not using C++. No thanks. Okay, so George, and we have image. Why isn't named image? I have no idea. I guess I'm gonna do that. George angry George. You know what? Because that's gonna take so much longer. And I'm gonna copy the name real quickly, and here we're gonna press F2. Gonna paste it. I don't know why that went last. Now here, this is gonna have a size difference, so we just have to drag and drop it and it will replace it instantly. Yoink, successfully imported. Yay. Now, I'm still kind of confused of why I can't actually... But what the heck? A George Davis object reference. You know, I can just do this cast to George. But then I can't do that because it's a different one, you know. So if I just do cast to George, we might as well be able to... Yeah, we don't need this if we're gonna be real there. I'm gonna get the object real soon though, because So here we'll just wanna get set sprite. Okay, wait. Stupid idiot. Why doesn't this work already? Yoink. Replace. Yup. Did this now? Now I'm guessing I'm gonna have to do this, right? So I'm just gonna place it down there. Now the object, let me try to see what I can do about that. So here we can, yeah, we're already on the event. So we can add a new variable and call it object. Here what we can do is get object ref. No, we can just get object. And we want to get an object reference. Perfect. Now this is an object. I'm gonna name it object George. And this one we wanna get a new variable and name it controller object. We wanna get two objects, I think. And then object. Scroll down, object reference. Now, George controller reference is not that. We want to get the controller object. And then if this, no. So that's George object. Yeah, George. Enter. Ta-da! Now we have an object on that. Now, object George is gonna be renamed to controller object. Now, the cast is anyways going to fail, I do think. Wait, actually, let's test it, okay? So we set the new sprite. Oh, never mind. Angry. George sprite. Now we set it to sprite, and if the cast is going to work without actually having anything on the object, because technically the variable is empty, I'm technically casting without object, right? But it doesn't give me an error.
Hello, and welcome to my school. My name is George Davis, and I am your math teacher. Go to the first class.
Right.
Example number 1. Example questions. Come back to me and I will tell you where to go next.
I don't think it would work. Yeah, it doesn't. The cast always fails, it seems like. Okay, so yes, the cast did in fact fail. These are just some stuff. So yeah, the cast did fail, which if it did, it doesn't work correctly. We gotta fix that. So off of here, we wanna get event begin play. And off of here, we want to get this. So get this. So cast to George controller. And then the object will be George controller. Now as George controller, we want to get the object. No, wrong one. George object. Set George object, I think. Now that's its target. And now we're setting the object to be George, right? Yeah, George Davis character, I think. Bam. Now as you can see here, this makes sure that this gets set here. But you might be wondering, then how will this cast even work if this doesn't work correctly? Well, I'm actually smart, and I'm gonna get another event begin play hit, and we're going to cast George Dave's character, I think. No. Wait. Yeah, why did I get the control? Yeah, it sets it to that, so yeah. So, off of the cast here, we want to cast to George Davis character. Object, very simple. We get, oh never mind, we don't want to cast to that, I do think. Oh yeah, since it will work. Yeah, it will work, so. But instead, because it's not gonna work correctly, we wanna add a delay, you know? Set delay. No. We just want a normal delay, so we're just gonna do 0.1 so that it activates that object first. No, never mind. I'm so confused now. So as George Davis character, we wanna set controller. Maybe set controller variable. Set George object that's that's the one we have here, which is the George controller. So we wanna get a variables here. I'm so confused now, wait. If we casted the George Davis character already, so we're gonna get George object, we wanna get controller object. Yes. So set that to be that, do it this. George controller with your class. We want to remove the delay. And in fact, do you think we don't have to cache the delay? We can just do that again. So yeah. Now connected to that, and in fact, now it should work. Compile. Let's test it. Hopefully it will work. If it doesn't, I'll be kind of upset. LMR, like.
Hello, and welcome to my school. My name is George Davis, and I am your math teacher.
So many
Go
casts,
to the
man.
first class and solve the note that you will find there. When example number 1 questions, example number 3, example number 4, example.
Does he now chase me? Indeed he does. So I guess the cast semi-worked? I mean, he didn't change sprite, which is kind of upsetting. Oh. I see, wait. So, just controller function. Wait, what happened to the set sprite? Wait, so this requires the George controller, which we're setting here, but this requires the object, which we're setting here. So they have to pretty much go at the exact same tick speed, I guess. I think, or I think I'm doing this completely wrong. Interesting. So disconnect that and connect it back there, because I have an idea. Delete that. delete the event begin play, get the George object, delete all of these. So at event begin play, get the George object, and make sure to set it as George Davis character. So now there's no need to worry about anything, we just set it instantly, and this object is already an existing object in the world. So we don't want the controller anymore, and let's test it. I think this is gonna work this time.
Hello, and welcome to my school. My name is George Davis, and I am your math teacher. Example number 1. Example number 2. Example number 4. Come back to me and I will tell you where to go next.
This time he didn't even change the sprite, he didn't even take the time to do it. I mean, oh my gosh. I feel like this time was a bit different though, like I feel like something weird happened. Yeah, I'm gonna redo everything here and I'm just gonna get everything back because it seems like I had everything good. So let's go back here. So pretty much the cat. Oh, okay. So as you can see here, the reason why this time before the cast didn't work is because it was here. So it was like stop every node, the cast didn't work. But this time at the event begin play, the cast doesn't work, so it doesn't get the paper spray. So the set sprite doesn't actually work, but the whole thing does work. So we might have done a mistake. Very interesting. Okay, my question is, okay, can I just delete this? Like, delete that object. Like, delete it from here. Oh my god, yeah, never mind. Because then... That's the George Davis character. Yeah, so... Let's go back here. Add a delay. It doesn't seem like the delay works. Okay, so we must wait for 2 seconds and it realizes that this cast doesn't actually work. So after that we are doing, but yeah, the cast isn't gonna work, I don't think. Oh yeah. So what if instead of that we do this? So the thing is not gonna work because the cast wasn't detected, and after the delay is over the thing will work. Yeah, this is too freaking complicated. Gosh, why did I do? I made a freaking loop. Okay. If I can play. One question. This right here, right? What if I just do that on the notebook widget? Is that so hard? Yoink, I guess. It does, like, this thing does work, like. I'm gonna try to do it there. Actually, I don't need the player key, like this variable there, so. Okay, so. Go back here. I want to get set sprite. I can't do it. Okay. Target is billboard component. So I'm so confused. Oh. Yeah, get that real quick. Paper spray component. What the heck? What do you mean? Bruh. Very interesting. So I think I got it. Okay. Let's think about this. So why is this is like, okay, so set sprite target should be paper space, set sprite colors should be set flip table. So hey. We have two. So we have set sprite and set sprite. What does this set sprite do? And set sprite enter. That's paper spray component, right? So we can get set paper spray, right? Joseph's character. Now this thing would go to the cast of George, which is not there. It's not there. What is it? What is it? Is this it? Yeah, that's not it. When the heck did they cast a George? I don't think I did. Wait. Yeah, oh my gosh. Wait. So, oh, get a copy, and I'm guessing this goes here, like, yeah, get a lot. Oh, okay, this is cool, okay, so got it. So we can get George, Dave's character. Oh, okay, we might have found it. We might have found the way. So we get all actors of class. We get a copy, and then the target is that, and then the new sprite would be Angry George. Angry. Oh yeah, I forgot to add this. Compile, save. Please work.
Hello, and welcome to my school. My name is George Davis, and I am your math teacher. Go to example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, example number 4. Come more close solving example where to go next.
Okay, now he should have changed sprite. Yes! I did it finally! Yeah, he's so blurred. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I did it, it worked! It worked. I did it correctly. Let's go. Finally. That took way longer than I expected, okay? And now, we just have to fix a little bit of the anger juice, right? Because it's bloody as fuck. It's like bloody as like old George. Let me put an image of screen on that. What do you mean? It's already pixelated. 8-bit data. What do you mean? 16-bit, I mean. Yeah, this 100% looks normal. What if I put it to 8-bit? Huh? It's okay, so this is a huge number. Context group. It's so blurry. It's too blurry. I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to find a way. But at least it worked.
Hello, and welcome
But you
to
can't
my
walk
school.
through them.
My name is George Davis, and I am your math teacher. Go to the first class and solve the notebook. You will find example number 1 is solve the example number 1. Make sure you're not a self-teacher. She was and she gets angry when they're violated.
So while we're here, I'm just gonna show you the school a little bit before we close up this video. So like yesterday I did this. Yeah, recroll painting. I don't give a crap. I had this plant, which looks perfect. Not the finger. It's a dog. And this painting. That's it. Yeah, George. Yeah, that's a high teacher. Where's George? Oh, he doesn't chase me now. What the heck? What happened? I'm so confused what happened now.
Example number example out of she follows the rules and she gets angry when they are violated.
I understand what happened the first time. Oh no. Wait. I forgot to save. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna close up blueprints. Oh my god. That's like how much freaking pain it is when you try to make one little thing.
And welcome to my school. My name is George Davis and I am your math teacher. Example number example line there. When you complete all of the questions, come back to me and I will tell you where to go next.
Yeah, now his sprite is stuck like this, but I don't care. Okay. I'm gonna change it. Like, I literally can. The heck?
Hello.
And welcome to my school.
My name is George Davis and I am your math teacher. Go to the first class and solve the notebook. Example number 1. Exactly. And I will tell you where to go next.
Yeah, why is he gonna spray like this? Yeah, no one cares, I'll fix that. Okay. I'll fix that like later.